Hi, so today we're going to talk about angles, radians, and degrees. So an angle in standard form has an angle on the coordinate plane where the vertex is on the origin and one ray lies along the positive x-axis. So that's what makes it in standard form. The ray on the x-axis is called the initial side. Okay, and that would be, if I draw that out, this one right here. That's your initial side. And then the other ray is called the terminal side. So if I draw that out, that would be this side right there. Counterclockwise, so if I draw a little clock here, there's my clock. Counterclockwise rotations, they go against the clock, result in positive angle measures, and clockwise rotations, meaning they go in the direction of a clock, result in negative angle measures. Oh, that's really hard to read. Hold on. So the most common unit of measure for an angle is degrees. And a degree is equivalent to 1/360th of a full rotation because we're going 1 out of 360 degrees. Okay, so we're going to sketch each of these. And we know when we go in a positive direction that this is 90 degrees up here, 180 over here, 270, and 360. So when I'm looking at 65 degrees, I have not made it to 90. I'm a little bit more than halfway there, but I haven't made it yet. So I'm going to go ahead and sketch that in, and that's what my angle will look like. Okay, when I've gone 320, I've gone past 90, past 180, past 270, and almost back to 360. And when I go 415, I actually have to go beyond the 360, and I have to figure out how much I have to go beyond the 360. So I'm going to go ahead and subtract that off from 360 off from that, and I get 55. And I'll show you this in a different color so you can see me go. I'm going to go all the way around, and then 55 is going to fall in this first quadrant over here about halfway through. So that's what's going to create that angle. Okay. Now when I'm going negative, I have 90, 180, and 270 in the negative direction. So I'm going to start here and I'm going to go negative past the 90, and I need to go to 140. That's going to fall right into the middle of that. And that creates my angle. When it's negative 15, remember this is like going negative 90 over here. So I'm going to go just a little bit here and I get that angle. And when it's negative 210, I'm going to go just a little bit past 180, and I'm going to go to there. So that is it for degrees. I'm going to pause this video and I'll post another one where we talk about radians.